Airsys has been delivering turnkey cooling solutions since 2012, for 7 years now. We've grown from a £2 million a year turnover company to 23 million. And this really is based on respect and delivering quality services to our customers. We have, in that time, developed some turnkey solutions for a specific telco customer, which has been very successful and is the reason for our growth in the UK. And we're very keen to have these discussions with other telcos in the UK marketplace. Airsys have worked out this programme where the considerable savings made with modern equipment will pay for the investment cost in new equipment.